Hi, this is Phil Shapiro. This is my tour of the Dell Vostro 1220 laptop. This laptop came out in 2009, and some people might be wondering, can I still use that laptop today? Well, sure. It is very usable. I've installed Linux Mint 20.2 XFCE. So let's take a look. I created this little presentation in LibreOffice and I exported it to a PDF. That's what I like to do with my book reviews, so I'm doing the same thing over here. This is what Linux looks like. Here's the actual laptop. It's a business laptop. Cute, not that heavy, small screen, very gorgeous screen, 1280 by 800, I think, pixels. Right now, I'm recording this presentation with an external 1080p monitor because this little laptop can hook up to a big monitor. So that's kind of neat. This is the Dell Vostro 1220. That's a close-up of the laptop. And it has an Intel Core 2 Duo processor. So in the old days, that was considered fast. And these days, it's considered not so fast. But with Linux, it is kind of fast. You'll see it's very usable. And these laptops are very affordable. Sometimes people give them away for free. Oh, and here's my contact information. I like to keep my contact information at the end of every presentation. So that's how you can contact me if you'd like to. I'm going to close this right here. And let's come over here just for fun. Oh, I'm recording this with SimpleScreenRecorder, my favorite screencasting program. It's totally free and it works great. So I'm going to minimize that because we don't need to see that on the screen when we're using it. So I'm going to minimize that. And it actually jumps down to the bottom of the laptop screen. So I go back there when I want to come to an end. So let's take a look over here just for fun. I downloaded a video from YouTube called Cute 4K Dogs, and I downloaded it at 1080p. So let's just take a look at this and see how well this old laptop plays this video. So check it out. It's playing it pretty smoothly. Look at that. And you can look up this video yourself, Cute 4K Dogs and Puppy Mood Booster. It is fun to show friends. It's gorgeously shot and lots of little giggle moments when you're watching it. Very funny dogs. Let's just take a quick peek at it because I had so much fun. There's one upcoming little scene of a bulldog with a Santa hat on it. So I think it's just about to come. It's a very amusing scene. The bulldog with the Santa hat. There's little puppies. They're all sleeping together. That's cute. So, okay, I'm going to let you, I'm going to let you go and watch this on your own if you'd like to. Let's take a look over here. I have a browser set up. Here's Firefox, my favorite web browser. And let's surf the web. Here I'm on the opensource.com website. Let's scroll down and you can see, oh, here's Don Watkins, 12 inspiring examples of open source in education this year. So I click on that and you can see it surfs pretty quickly. Things pop up on the screen. I'll scroll down here. Scrolling is pretty fast. I'm going to go back a step. So I would say it's very usable. Maybe not as the main computer in a house or family, but maybe as an extra computer. There's Jim Hall. He writes a ton of stuff. And Joshua Allen Holm writes a ton of stuff. OpenSource.com. Let's come over here to the Library of Congress, loc.gov. I love going to this website. Let's see how fast things load over here and what they might have to offer today. Oh, look at that. Neat. Look at this. So you can see it is all quite usable. This laptop has 3 gigabytes of memory, and that is a lot for Linux. Linux Mint does not require, Linux Mint could actually work in 1 gigabyte of memory, 1 to 2, and so 3 is quite comfortable. So, so that's it. This is my little tour of the Vostro 1220 laptop. I wanted to show you just how useful this older laptop can be with Linux installed. I want to remind you that the word obsolete is more often an opinion than a fact. So if you hear somebody say that an older computer is obsolete, always take a moment just to think about who it is that is saying that, and whether this older computer that they are referencing could actually be put to use. And I urge you to take a peek at my YouTube video called My $20 eBay Laptop, where I give a tour of a 2002 Dell laptop that 99% of computer professionals would say is obsolete, but it's not obsolete. If you are a refugee from another country and you don't have any other computer, this computer could be used to get your doctorate. And you can surf the web, you can do writing on a 2002 Dell laptop. It's 20 years old, but with Linux installed, the computer is born again, hallelujah. This is Phil Shapiro. See you next time.